Alright, for those of you who've been following the restoration of this old boat, we've got the control arm back on. It's aimed up pretty good. Got the hull cleaned, got it all cleaned up. Got the windows clean where you can see through them. Alright, so we go down into the companionway. We had to fix a board here. In the companionway. Had to add a new board. I'll cover it with the carpet and it'll be good again. I cleaned out the back room. Yeah, that's all dirt and all the stuff there. I'm gonna vacuum up. But I did clean out the back room. Looks pretty good. So the back bedroom. This is your cabinet where your electronics go. Here's your sink. I need to clean it. Your stove. And as you can see, I had to replace this board. And I'll have to put carpet back over it. But I've cleaned all of the front of the cabin. That part there, right there, is where the fiberglass has gotten soft. So what I'm going to have to do is put some fiberglass hardener on it and seal it. But got a little porthole into the bathroom. I don't know why, but it's a work in progress. And I think I've made a lot of progress since I got it. It's a bathroom. I had to I did get the sink to drain and working again. So, it is a work in progress.